Okay, welcome back, Movie Masters. I know it's been a couple of weeks, but I've been away traveling Europe, making content and buying more toys. And I've really got into lighting and how much lighting can make a difference. Now, I actually have just started a new job at a media production company, and I have moved most of my studio and equipment to my office. So at the moment, I'm lacking a few lights here, but what I do have, I'll show you an unboxing. I've done a lot of these. I think it's 130 watt, but this is a color light. Okie. Power cable. So exciting. Instruction book. Oh. Whoa, okay. This is a bit bigger than my other lights. This one is a different brand light. So this is a new one for me. So I'll be letting you know if it's any good or not. The other lights I have are Aputure and Amaran, which are owned by the same company. They're like subsidiaries of each other, but this one is NEEWER or NEEWER. Not exactly sure how that's pronounced. But check this baby out. Oh yeah. It's just a cover. So like most of my other mounts, this is a Bowens mount, most of my other lights. Now, in the back here, you'll see you have a few different settings. Up, down, CCT, HSI, and effects. And that will be the brightness knob, volume button. Not sure what this one does, but we're gonna plug it in and find out. It also comes with one of these nice reflective cones. I do believe that's all that's in the box. I don't know. I should be more careful. So, I'm a little surprised by this. I actually thought with my other lights, like the cable comes with more like a power box or adapter, or this is purely just a kettle cord. Well, that's what we call them in Australia. Do you call them that? Kettle cords? Mainly because old school kettles all have these. Yeah, so this is the NEEWER CB100C. I don't know why they call it 100, because it advertises at 130 watts. So you think they'd call it a 130, but look, I've seen other lights that, like, where they say they're 65 watt or 75 watt, but they call them like a C60. Well, got a pretty long cable. Let's plug this in. Alright. Scary looking. Alright. Are we ready? Are we ready, team? On. Wow. So I'm sure there is an app with this. Okay. So the CCT is your just standard yellow and white, and you can change the color temperature, the Kelvin. And then the HSI is the colors, and that will let you change the saturation and the hue. Look here, red, green, blue, nice blue, purple. And then you've got effects. I see. So you use this little panel to siphon through these effects. So a police engine, fire truck kind of thing going on. This is meant to be a fireplace. This just changes color. Don't know what that one does. Here's a party. party disco. And that's lightning. So, oof, that's a powerful light. To change the options, you actually press the button, and that will let me change the 27,000 up to 65,000. Okay, cool. Now let's chuck this cone on and see. Whoa. Cool little baby. Now it's already got a built-in handle here, so you can plug that on to a stand, and there we go. This is going to come in handy. Oof. So these currently retail for about 300 Australian dollars, and it is a 130 watt color COB light from NEEWER. I'm going to have to really set it up in the studio to give you a proper overview. But yeah, this is essentially what you get. It doesn't come with a stand, you have to buy them separately, but that is standard. So one thing I will note about this light compared to the Amaran or the Aputure or many of the other brands is this particular one doesn't come with any battery mounts. Now, I think I've seen them online, you can buy them separately, but in the box, this is what you get. Anyway, I'm going to download the app, have a little play with this. And if you've found this in any way insightful, I mean, I'm just showing you a light. Thanks for watching. I get excited by lights. Now, the next episode, I'm going to show you how to properly light a person, but I'm going to do that in my office. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave any comments if you own this. What are your thoughts? How long has it lasted? I've just got this, so look, we'll find out. And I will get back to you in a month or so with a comparison of all my different lights. So I've got this 130 watt light here. I have another Amaran 200 watt, and then two other Amaran 60 watts. So look, we'll see how they compare, and sturdiness feels good. It's made of some sort of metal alloy. Build quality, it's got a nice handle here. Hold it there. Yeah. I do say though, the power cable, while it is quite long, it probably could be a little longer, but you can get an extension cord for that. That's not an issue. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching.